Hello everyone, I'm Signup and welcome at the watchable videos after registering your iQIYI international account. If you've registered for free and you want to know the video content you can get, yes, they are all non-VIP video content. You can get them. You can get like The King is Invisible, The Ferryman, Escape from Tiger's Mouth. There is VIP, you see VIP at the top, so you can't have access to them. Now they have a lot of variety selections also, anime selections for you too. So after your iQIYI international account registered and signed in as an ordinary iQIYI member, you are able to enjoy watching all non-VIP tag videos, including Chinese dramas, TV reality shows, Chinese animation, and short videos for free. Other video content and TV series that have the VIP tags require monthly subscription at least to be their member to watch it. And the good news is that newly registered iQIYI users, which probably depend on your exclusive device, can enjoy about a month free VIP benefit. It means all new users at present can watch all non-VIP and VIP videos for free in 1 month. Due to the unknown issue about the closing date of this benefit, anyone who's interested in this app or Chinese drama and TV show may try to register iQIYI international account as soon as possible. So that's it. So hope you found this video helpful. Next video, we're going to look at how to register iQIYI international account on mobile phone.